Hey, little one, why are you alone?
I can't find my mom, and I can't fly well yet.
I could help you, or I could eat you.
Please don't eat me! I taste awful!
Haha, relax, I only eat berries.
So, will you help me find my course?
My nose knows everything.
That river looks scary.
Heroes cross rivers. Hop on my back.
Okay, please don't slip.
My baby! I was so worried! Want me back! For the hero!
For me? Really? Helping others makes you a true hero, no matter your size.
Thank you, Fox.
Anytime.